After creating 300 Elementor tutorials, here are 9 trending card hover effects that you can create for free in Elementor. We have many different designs and effects today, and yes, we will use some custom code to make them, but don't worry, you will get all the code for free in the description below, and the tutorials for each design will also be linked above in case you need it. Alright, let's begin. First up, one recent design trend in this inverted curved border, which can show up in different shapes like this. You can create any custom border using a process called image masking, and I have linked the tutorial above for it as well. But before that, whenever I do some design work for clients, I make sure to add this free plugin called Airlift because, okay, let me show you this actually. So that's my speed before and that's after. It does a lot of optimizations automatically and keeps things fast. So you should definitely try this, and I'll leave a link in the description below. Okay, I think this is my favorite one. So here you have some product cards, but when you hover over it, it has this 3D animation and the product details become visible too. And here's another design using the same code, and look how aesthetic this is, right? The best part is that all these cards are dynamic as well. So you can pick a product variation and place an order too. Amazing, right? Next, we have a classic effect where a cursor that glows like this when you hover over a card, and the glow isn't just static, it moves smoothly like this. Now you might have seen tutorials for this before, but what they didn't tell you is that this effect stops working if you change the sizes of the cards. But the custom code I have written takes care of that, and I have added it below in the description for you. Now, one design trend from 2024 that is still relevant in 2025 is Glasmorphism, where your cards have this frosted glassy effect and the card tilts slightly on hover, making it feel very premium, and yes, this design is responsive as well. Now let's try something new and check a card scrolling effect. Here, as I scroll, these cards stack on top of each other, and when I scroll back up, the same thing happens in reverse and the cards are unstacking like this. So this is a popular design called stacking cards on scroll, and I've created a simple design here to demo this, but you can also create designs like this. Now, one classic card effect is when you have these type of cards that glow magically on hover and look very aesthetic. The cursor also has a glow, and this kind of design is great for crypto or gaming websites because you can use it in different ways like this. My second favorite is when I hover over a product and get this quick view pop-up. And of course, this is dynamic as well, so you can select whichever variation you want and place an order. Another simple but classic and versatile effect is when I hover over a card and hidden info just appears smoothly like this. It's like a card has two sides really, and you can customize each design fully. Like, look at this design, it's using the same code too. Okay, let's end this with a bang. This is an advanced slider where you can click to change the card here, which also changes the background image, and there's a hover effect as well. Fun fact, you can also add videos to this design like this, and the same thing happens with that too. Cool, right? Do you want to see other advanced sliders or card hover effects? Comment below and I'll make a tutorial if it's an interesting topic. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.